So you're probably sick of seeing all these trash spreadsheets with zero new products and nothing but white forces and stressing keys. Well, your boy Ken has you covered. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a website called repfinds.co, which has thousands of high quality products. And I'm also going to be showing you guys that you can trust this website by doing a $700 haul with only products from this website, as well as a bunch of products that I'm going to be personally testing to make sure that they're good enough for you guys. And if they are, I'll throw them up on the website. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to open up the website and you'll see this pop up. It will ask you for your currency and your agent. I highly recommend using AllChinaBuy and signing up with my link in the description for a chance to enter my giveaway to win up to $700 in free clothes as well. And now all you gotta do is hit view catalog, and from here you can see we got hundreds of items. We got over 50 pages almost of items, and we're always adding more. So for example, if I want to search up maybe some Ralph items, I've been in love with these lately. These polos, super good, $12 a piece, and I just bought a bunch of these white tees for only $7 a piece. Can't go wrong with these. And you'll notice we have a bunch of features that spreadsheets don't have, like filtering by price. So if I want items under like $10, put that in the filter right over here, $10. And you can see if I sort by price, only items under $10 show up. Some of these items, the pricing might be a little wrong because obviously pricing changes from time to time. Like you can see here, this $10 spider hoodie. Pika does these crazy discounts for like a couple weeks at a time for God knows what. That guy's just always on something. Great seller though. But you can see here, we also got sorting by brand, and we also got a really good search bar. The dev team has honestly outdone themselves with the search bar, so you can search up anything that you want, and even if there's like a small minor spelling issue, it will always pick it up. Let's clear the filters here. Search for an item like jeans, and you can see even though I misspelled it, it still shows all the jeans on the website. And the best part about the website is that even if you're on mobile, it's very easy to scroll, search, filter, and do everything that you can do on the desktop app as well. And when you find an item that you like this pair of dunks right over here, all you gotta do is hit view on AllChinaBuy, pops up right over here, and you can see we can select our colorway, select our size, and check it out. And now the part that we've all been waiting for, the $700 haul. You can see I got all these Ralph items, got a bunch of other items like this t-shirt for $2. The quality on it also looks pretty good. Scrolling down, we got this Ralph jacket. If you're interested to see what I got, I'm going to be dropping a whole haul unboxing video where I go through each of these items one by one. You can see a bunch of unbranded products that I'm going to be adding to the website soon. Got this XO chain, that's going to be for the next haul because I ran out of money. But all you gotta do is hit submit, scroll all the way to the bottom, hit submit again. Alright, so I did a bit of an oopsie, so I gotta pay this in 3 different orders, but I'm gonna hit account balance right over here, hit pay now, and boom, you can see I only got $26 left in my AllChinaBuy account, guys. That's a huge haul, but I'm so excited for this haul. If you want to see the unboxing video for this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be coming out in probably 2 or 3 weeks when this package gets here. AllChinaBuy is super fast, and every haul that I've done with them, I've done 2 hauls with them, and they've all taken around 3 weeks. 2 weeks to get all the products in the warehouse sorted out, and then 1 week for shipping. That's the best part. Their shipping is so fast. No other agent is going to be giving you this speed of service for the price that AllChinaBuy provides it for. So make sure you sign up using my link in the description. And that's all there is to it, boys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Drop a sub, drop a like, and if you didn't, drop a dislike, drop a mean comment. I don't really care. And as always, it's been your boy Ken, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.